guys, today we learn the use of will and would. Will use for request, refusal, offer, conditional and future. For example, will you lend me your book? It's a request. I want to do your work. It's refusal, a negative form. I will watch your children today. It's an offer. He's offering that I will watch your children today. If he asks me, I will help him. It's a conditional. Future, we will visit Spain next month. It's a future. Would use for request, for refusal, for offers, for conditional sentences, for future in the past. For example, would you study with me? She wouldn't help me yesterday. It's a refusal. I would have helped you. It's offer. If I had more money, I would buy a car. It's a conditional. If I had studied, I would have passed. He said that he would help us move next month. It's a use of future. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thanks for watching.